Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the new Scalloped 6A2 die. I'm actually really excited about this die because of its versatility. First, this die measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so it fits perfectly on top of an A2 size card. I die cut the pieces out so you can see what you get with this die set. So let's look at all the pieces. First, you get this rectangle frame. It has 6 rectangles with scalloped edges. This die can be used by itself. You also get 6 rectangle pieces that can be used inside the frame. It also comes with 6 scallop frames which can be used on top of the rectangles. You can stack the rectangles on top of each other to raise them up, which would give the card dimension, which gives it a really nice look. Another idea you can use the rectangles for is making like picture frames, and you could stack them on a card and you could put sayings in them or pictures. These are standalone pieces that can be used without the big rectangle frame. You can use the frames all by themselves if you wanted to, so I think you get a lot with this die set compared to most frame dies. I did make a card to share with you. The die makes a great shaker card, and I paired it up with the butterfly stamp set. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this new release, and head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire new release that is available today. Also, be sure to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.